So let's discuss customer-specific requirements, or CSRs. CSRs are a requirement within IATF 16949 under Section 4.3.2 and also IATF Rules 5.8J. This is a top 10 IATF 16949 CB major nonconformance. For compliance to CSRs, we have to consider all automotive customers and all the CSR manual requirements, and those requirements have to be incorporated into the quality management systems. Keep in mind, CSRs are a critical component of IATF 16949 quality management system. Let's talk about some of the best practices of CSRs. CSR matrix is required under Section 7.5.1.1d of IATF 16949. That combines the processes of the quality management system with the requirements of the customer-specific requirement. Also within your quality management system, you need to consider a process or procedure for gathering, communicating, and implementing any new or revised CSRs, incorporating those CSR requirements into documented processes, and capturing CSRs within the internal audit process. Areas to avoid when considering CSRs. Not applying the CSR requirement due to complexity, cost, or lack of customer attention. Keep in mind, just because your delivery plant doesn't require CSR compliance, the customer's main organization may. Always seek customer waivers for any CSR deviation, and remember to have evidence of that customer acceptance of a waiver within your quality management system. Certification hot button when auditing CSRs include incorporating the CSR requirements into the organization's quality management system. Focus will be on the IATF OEMs if the organization is a Tier 1. So let's talk about what I've seen as a certification body auditor. And let's break this down between good, bad, and the ugly. So let's talk about the good first. I was at a stamper once that used the CSR matrix within their quality management system to ensure that all CSRs were being implemented and had evidence to support that. The best thing about this process is the matrix was tied into their processes and referenced into site's procedures, referring to the latest CSR matrix when manufacturing for each customer. And they had many customers. They had to manage the CSR through this matrix process, and it was a great method of control. Let's talk about the bad. I was at a steel slitter once, and the only CSR management activity was to ensure that they had the latest copy of the CSR manual. This site didn't even know what the requirements were, so naturally when auditing the certain requirements, the site didn't have compliance. A major nonconformity was identified. And I've been to enough sites that didn't even know if their customer had a CSR manual or not. A quick check on Google indicated supplier manuals were available. No process was in place to determine if CSRs are available or not. So of course a major nonconformity was identified.